The house.
Oh my God, they took that one.
There we go. Looking better. See here, that's the master closet on the right. The master bath on the left, all framed out. Kitchen wall's gone. Holy cow. Kids are driving me nuts. There's the pantry. The fridge will go right here, next to the pantry. Step over, the oven range is going to go right here. And then the double oven. I think the double oven might go to the left or to the right. Whatever. Maybe figured it out. Counter space, sink. See, this doorway has been moved to take the entryway out of the main living space. I'm going to put a little cabinet here, or something like pantry. You know, not pantry, linen closet. Bathroom. Logan's room. HVAC, which is great. And this is the master. Master closet. Master bath. Now the master closet and master bath are big, but it only took, it was 3 extra feet that we took from the additional living space to make the decision, and it allows us to get a full shower in. So this closet just would have been kind of dead space, and kind of makes it a better uniform hallway. Anyway, coming along. All right, bye.